Good day, everyone. I'll show you the evolution of the patterns on the butterfly. So as you can see in this video, butterfly are so beautiful right when the pattern is changing. Over time, these patterns can change. Imagine, over the 50 years, if the environment changes, like getting warmer or having new predators, some butterflies with slightly different patterns might survive better. These survivors pass on their patterns and slowly the whole group of butterflies can look different adapting to the new world. It's nature way of helping them to survive. So this video is represent the evolution of the butterflies.